Alright guys, these bolts came out from each side. It's a 10mm from right there. And your airbag, your steering wheel airbag comes off. Now I just gotta undo those two, and then I'm gonna get back to it. So give me 1 second. So right here, I popped the little black tabs. These move up and down. So just gonna pull this, and then pull this, and then your ground cable is gonna be on the side right here. Gonna press that little tab right there. Okay, so there we go. So this little tab on here, this little one, the black one, you gotta press on this to release that. So now I gotta take off the bolt, unplug this, and get back there and start taking this off, because this is what we're changing. And I'm looking at it right now. I went to the dealer and I gave him the right VIN number and everything, but these are kind of different than the one I got. So I don't know if it's a new update they did. I mean, I work for Nissan, you know, they change parts all the time. But take a look at on these. So I'm hoping these are round. They seem like for Armada or something. And these are, you know, these are the round ones. You know, so let's see.